Hello students, welcome to Dhaka Secondary School, North Karachi campus, and today you are watching class 10 English language class, and these slides are prepared by Sir Farhan, language teacher of Dhaka Secondary School. So students, our today's class is about first week of December, and our learning agenda is application and its formats. So what is application and why do we write application and its format? And second topic is idioms. What are idioms and why do we use idioms in English language? So first of all, I move towards our first topic, what is application, and tips how to write an application to the principal. Basically in schools students write application to the principal in order to convey the message what is the problem or causes behind to leave the school. Okay students, so these are the tips. So first tip of writing an application is that write the application in a respectful manner that expresses the request of leave and sounds real. It means that it appears real to the principal so that he or she can give leave to the student. Second is mention the purpose specifically for which you are appealing to leave. Okay, important means that here subject must be clear to the principal. Then the base of the application should be maintained. Then comes the point, the application should be concise and to the point. It means that we must not write too much body or content so that the reader or the principal may get bored. So we should get to the point and write in a short way so that it can be easy to our reader to listen or get the message. Then comes the cross check with syntax errors or punctuation. Means that we must take the grammar mistakes. If there is mistake, we must get it right before dispatch the application. And next is the application should state the connection between the child and the sender of the letter. Okay, so it means that when you write application, so it mention the connection to the child and to the sender of the letter or application. Okay students, these are the tips to write an application to the principal. And here comes the format of application format. So first of all, you see the point on the top, that to we write here in order to mention the designation to whom we are writing the application. And here comes the principal, and you can write also here headmaster or headmistress. Then comes the school name and then address. Then we write date. Then after that we space leave a space there, and then we write subject, and subject must be clear so that principal can get the idea about the application. Then comes the salutation part, and after salutation we write the body, and on the first we write the introduction part, then in the mid we write body, and then comes the last part of the body. Then after body we write subscription, and that is also called compliment, like yours obediently. Then we write our name and class. So this is students how we write application and format. Then comes our second topic, idiom. So what is an idiom? Basically they are type of figurative language, which means they are not always mean to be taken literally. Idioms express a particular sentiment, but they do not literally mean what the individual words themselves mean. Means that when idioms comes, it doesn't give the individual meaning of the separate meaning of those words. Okay, when they combine together, they give an individual or specific meaning, and that becomes our idiom. For example, idiom raining cats and dogs. We know that raining is what? Cats is an animal, dogs are animal, but when they come together and they create their individual or specific meaning. That meaning becomes the idiom of English language, and every idiom has meaning. It means that heavy downpour, when raining gets too much, or when it rains too heavy, there we use raining cats and dogs. And you can see the sentence here, it is raining cats and dogs. It means that it rains a lot. Okay students, here comes another example of idiom. Beat around the bush or beat about the bush means that to talk irrelevantly. When we do not talk about the main point or central point, or when we talk irrelevantly, not to the point, there we use idiom beat around the bush. For example, and the sentence of this idiom, Ali is beating about bush and is not coming to the point. Next is to judge a book by its cover. It's mean that do not assume you know someone or something by how he or it appears. And sentence, do you know that John looked very poor but actually he was very rich? You can't judge a book by its cover. Then comes our last idiom, curiosity kill the cat. It means that if someone wants to know something and he doesn't know that thing, he becomes like a fish out of water. So this is the meaning of curiosity kill the cat. Sentence, Joe was very curious about where Sarah was getting all their money from. All she has said, curiosity kill the cat. Okay students, this is our first week video regarding the topics. Thank you so much.